Malawi Today.
Point of order.
Point of order, Sanje Southwest.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, thank you for allowing the people of Sanje Southwest to make a point of order. I would like to request if the House can stand and observe 1 minute silence for the death of Essau Kanyenda, who was a legend of Malawi. He's contributed a lot to the country by putting Malawi on the map. He inspired a lot of people. He led Malawi to Africa of Nations. And I think it would be right and proper, since the news has just been broken, if it allows you, with your indulgence and the indulgence of the Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture, to observe a 1 minute silence in honor of Essau Kanyenda. I submit.
Thank you very much, Honourable Member for Sanje Southwest. And indeed, the news has been broken that as a country, we've lost a legend in the football fraternity by the name of Essau Kanyenda. And this House has benefited a lot. Majority of honourable members here have followed his football career and his life, and we are all saddened by that news. In respect for the late legend, honour members will be requested to accept the 1 minute silence as proposed by the honourable member for Sanje Southwest. Honour members, can we all rise for a 1 minute silence, please? May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.